Good afternoon. Today we're going to sample the Ruffalo Buffalo pie. You might be wondering why it's called that. Basically, it's a bison pie. It's chili con carne made with bison, and we wanted to use the word Ruffalo because buffalo. We wanted something quirky and something that was going to sort of go well, create a bit of interest. We thought about using Gruffalo. But we're not allowed to use Gruffalo. You can use Gruffalo. It is a brand that is licensed, but it's licensed for everything but food. So we decided to go with Ruffalo because I don't know if you know who Mark Ruffalo is, but Mark Ruffalo is the Incredible Hulk. So we thought that might be quite interesting. So if you eat Ruffalo pie, you go green and really muscly. So let's have a look at this pie. So we source bison from Bouverie Lodge at Nether Broughton, which is 3 miles from here, so it's really local. And we cook it up with, it's minced, we mince it quite finely, and then we cook it up with a selection of different chilies, including chipotle, and we have a secret ingredient, which I'm going to let you know what it is. We use coffee, which is an amazing flavour enhancer. So there you go, that's your Ruffalo Buffalo pie. Right, I'm going to flip it over, best way to cut it. And then I'm going to cut it in half. Look at that, zoom in on that, Jack. Look at those beans, fantastic. Straight out the oven. And now I'm going to eat it, except for, oh, look at that, Jack, just zoom in on that again. Lots of kidney beans. So this is a chili con carne, bear with me, I'm going to find a spoon. You have to edit that bit out. This is chili con carne. Made with bison instead of beef. There we go. Look at that. That's a short crust butter pastry. Fantastic. That's absolutely delicious. The good thing about bison, it's very lean, so it's low in fat and it's low in cholesterol. So it's a healthy alternative to beef, and it's bags of flavour. We're going to enter this in the British Pie Wars this year, so watch this space. Thank you.